Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some great news in regards to iOS 26.3, the latest beta, and messages for everyone. This will impact everyone moving forward. There's some important information in regards to what's going to happen with messages, specifically RCS. We'll talk about that here shortly. Before we get to some of the good news here in regards to iOS 26.3, I also want to talk about a massive outage currently happening in the US today on Wednesday, January the 14th. If you're seeing the SOS on your carrier name right there, so if you have no service, specifically Verizon customers here in the United States, you're not alone. There is a massive outage currently happening in the United States as of today, January the 14th. Also, AT&T and T-Mobile customers may also be impacted temporarily. A massive outage currently going on. Now, if you own AirPods Pro 3rd generation, yesterday Apple did release a new firmware update for AirPods, so you want to make sure that you update your AirPods. Obviously, this typically happens in the background, but if you haven't updated just yet, make sure that your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Both are connected to a power source, and let them sit next to each other for about 20 minutes uninterrupted, and this update should happen automatically. Now, the latest update is 8B34, as you can see right there. So AirPods Pro 3rd generation only were updated yesterday, as you can see right there. Now, Apple did not specify once again what's fixed here with this latest firmware update, so it just says bug fixes and other improvements. But there you guys have it. Just wanted to let you guys know, AirPods Pro 3rd generation, if you own those, there's a new update available as of right now. So now let's talk about some of the good news that I wanted to share with you guys in regards to RCS messaging on iPhone in the latest iOS 26.3. The latest beta suggests that Apple is laying the groundwork for end-to-end encryption coming to RCS on iPhone. As you know, RCS is the standard that allows users from iOS and Android to have better communication via messages. This includes inline replies, of course, typing indicators, read receipts. A lot of new features came to iPhone and Android when using the Messages application, thanks to RCS. And now Apple again looks to be laying the groundwork for RCS full encryption between the iPhone and other platforms. So this is great news across the board for all devices, including iOS devices and Android devices. Now, earlier today, Apple also released a new carrier bundle update now currently available for Rogers in Canada. Now, typically, when Apple releases new carrier bundles or new carrier updates, a new software update typically gets released. These typically go hand in hand. iOS 26.2.1 is currently being worked on. I was told that Apple was expected to release it as early as today. That hasn't happened just yet. I don't know if the massive carrier outage here in the US has anything to do with Apple not pushing iOS 26.2.1 just yet, but obviously once this software becomes available, I'll be sure to cover it for you guys and update you guys in regards to that. But yeah, keep in mind that we're still waiting for iOS 26.2.1, which could release even later today or later this week. Also, RCS full encryption could be coming with iOS 26.3 and a massive outage going on across the US as of today. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to update you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.